unload your paper. Okay? So you're always going to want to start with this gray lever on the side here. When it's pushed forward, the machine is grabbing onto the paper, so you're not able to roll it back. Push it back, and you're able to roll your paper back. Okay? On the right side here and the left side here, these two black wheels, you're going to pull it forward, and you're going to place the roll down on its right side. You'll notice two icons right here. You have your lock and your unlock. You're going to grab this blue lever, switch it over, grab onto your paper, and pull it out. And your right side's going to be a little different. The whole pole is going to come out with it. And that's how you take off your roll.